G'day everyone, it's Chriso, the Aussie tiler. I'm a professional tiler and we're just about to start the waterproofing. I've sealed it all, put masking tape up because I want to go up here and not worry about the architrave sort of thing. I want to be able to waterproof right to the edge. This stuff tends to get everywhere, so I want to show you how I do it. Yep, that's it. Slap it on. It's good stuff, this. Brilliant. I will be mud down, sand and cement on this floor under my tiles because it's about 25 mil out of level. So we'll level it up. It's the same as the bathroom. That was up the shit as well. But we'll bring it right. DIYs, if you're doing your own reno, this is how you do it. I should have gone up there with a bit of silicone. When this dries, I will then always like to do 2 coats in a shower. When I'm doing a shower, I do 3 coats. One of them is my slurry for my mud. Always, oh, that hit me funny bone then. Always making sure you've got a good amount, but not too thick. It needs to dry and not crack. I have done it a little bit, I did it too thick one time and I had a few cracks, but as it was drying, but it was all right because my next coat got it. If you're only doing 1 coat and you do it too thick and it cracks and you don't go over it, well then you're in trouble. Slap it around. I'll roll this, but I'll go around the taps with a brush. If everything was waterproofed properly, they wouldn't have had any trouble at all. But the people that bought this house, they were told that it was a bit dodgy. The laundry, bathroom and ensuite. So they knew they had to do it, only because it wasn't done properly in the beginning. I might smear a bit of my silicone over that tape in a sec. I'll come back to that. These taps are coming off. I just haven't taken them off yet because I need to turn off the water so I'll go around it. It's all being replaced. I'm not bodgy or rough. It only looks like it. Okay people, I'll come back to you shortly. I'll turn off my camera, I'll do a bit more. I don't need to, I won't be going up that high. I'll get a tape out and I'll go, my tiles are going up 1500, so I'll go up 16 and we'll be home and hose. Okay, I'll see you shortly. Don't forget to subscribe. See ya, bye. We're just waterproofing this laundry at the moment. I just pop this on my head and then I've got my hands free, wearing my gloves, pop on a glove. So I'm only going that height, a couple of 100 mil up there, up the wall there. Slap it on. On Monday I'll be screeding and laying this floor, and then I'm into the walls Tuesday. Fantastic. Because it's Friday today. That's basically all it is, everyone, with waterproofing. I don't roll a floor like this. The glue is solid. It's been vacuumed. I like to brush it on, and then I know I'm getting in all the nooks and crannies and brushing it, you know, different ways and all that sort of thing to get it in there. So stay in touch people, I'll be back with you soon when I'm screeding and laying this floor. So if you would, give us a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and we'll see you soon. Bye.